Let's go.
Go. Don't you know she needs water?
So? How is that your business? Then let her go to the stream and fetch water for herself.
Mama, I think you need water. Just take a little from this. This okay for you? What does she mean she will fight for me when she can?
You get it back. Why don't you go back and ask her?
For information, I wasn't talking to you.
Then speak within yourself.
What is even wrong with this girl?
Brother, you look sad. I hope all is well. What is it? Will he keep to his words?
That the king, my father, is dead means that the youth of Umechago kingdom has to go on a contest to have me. Let me ask you this question. As the waiting queen of this great kingdom, or as the princess, don't I have the right to choose the man of my own?
Please, my princess, take it easy on yourself.
I will not take it easy.
My princess, I think I have a vital clarification to make here. First, the key to the sacred safe, of which has to be opened before a new king is crowned, is nowhere to be found. Now, Ezewanye, the mouthpiece of the gods, claims he is in the custody of the possessed Median, who eloped with the key before the king's demise. That same Median threw the key into the forest of Umochago. So, my princess, this contest is not all about you. The strongest contender is the one that will go into the forest and retrieve this key from the possessed one. He or she will inherit the entire Umochago kingdom and its inhabitants, including you and I.
Are you aware that any youth of Umechago will just go into that forest not to have this throne to themselves, but to keep me and have me as their wife?
If it's the wish of the gods, who are we to contest?
Okwa hasina aduniga maniye. Okwa hasina aduniga maniye. Okwa hasina aduniga maniye. Okwa hasina aduniga maniye. Owe 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 Okwa hasina aduniga maniye. Okwa hasina aduniga maniye. Okwa hasina aduniga maniye. Ezewanye okwa hasina aduniga maniye. Owe Owe
Zerem Ibunye Aneserege Okeria Okeresia Okweti Wata Yeto Yotono Uno Manono Inu Okeria Okeresia Asi. What is the future mouthpiece of the gods doing? Standing and watching. Learning?
No, mother. She's rather curious. Anxious to hear what she wants to hear.
What does she want to hear?
What will become of the people of Umechago? The king is dead. The lost key? Mother, please tell me we're not in trouble and the gods are willing to help us.
The gods will only help us if we follow their directives.
Which are? What are the directives?
You will stage a contest at a location suspected to have harbored the key holder. Whoever retrieves the key inherits us all. No gender exclusion.
Ọkwa ha si na aduni ga amaniye. Ọkwa ha si na aduni ga amaniye. Ọkwa ha si na aduni ga amaniye.
The princess is not happy. She is not happy at all.
Why? She should be, now that the gods have given us a way forward.
She thinks she is the center of attraction and that every young man will barge into that contest just because of her.
And if you ask me, she is worth the risk. And the kingdom too is what every man wants. And not ask for any other thing. Listen, we are well endowed. Well endowed.
Yes, we are. And that is why I've decided. Never mind. I wish us all luck.
You say...
Withiness in the heart of man, you see it all in their heart.
Where you come from? The great Onowu of our land.
Save your greetings. How prepared are you, Ike?
Prepared for what?
I'm sure you are aware that a contest is on the way, and all the strong men of Umechago Kingdom will be vying for the ultimate position.
I'm not interested.
Let's assume you don't mean it. When you are done working, come to my house and I'll tell you 10.5 reasons why you should be interested.
Oh, yeah, lele. 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 Yeah.
My prince.
Ekezie, I've been waiting for you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I went to fetch firewood for my mother. But what is it that you can't wait till tomorrow?
Have you heard about the contest in Umechago first?
Yes. You mean the maiden that ran away with the key to the royal safe?
Yes. The elders said that whoever retrieves the key will become the Igwe of this kingdom, and the person will definitely marry.
What?
And you know what? I can't allow any man get hold of me. I cannot marry any other man except you. You know how much I love you. You need to fight for our future. You need to fight for your love. This is the time to show me how much you love me. You know how much I love you. And I wouldn't want you to let me go. This is the time for you to show me how much you love me. Obi, I have to go now.
What is going on there? Is there a war?
Okay. No, they are preparing for the contest.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Strong men.
Gozie, you are not going anywhere. If the princess is the prize for the contest, then you have to start looking for another maiden to take as a wife, not the princess. This is a clear sign that you both are not meant for each other.
Mother, you don't seem to understand.
Understand what?
I love the princess.
And I love you more. I love you more as my son. And I know you love yourself more than you love the princess.
I am not so sure about that.
And that is your business. I don't care what you are sure of. That is your business. You want to go into the forest in search of what you don't have idea of. You are not going anywhere. You are not going anywhere as far as I'm concerned.
Ike, I want you to contest on my behalf. Win and hand over everything that comes with your victory to me.
What exactly are we talking about?
It's simple. You go into that forest and pretend to contest either to woo the princess or save our dying kingdom. At the end of the contest, when you are mentioned as the winner, you announce me as the rightful victor.
But what if I don't win?
You must win. I do not tolerate defeat. If you have to kill to win, then you must.
Great Okorie, I respect you a lot. But I do believe that I have the option of refusing to contest. Don't I?
I'm sure you don't. Because I will expose you.
Expose me?
Yes. I will tell the entire kingdom who you are. What you are. Where...
Hey! Enough! Enough!
I take your exit as a yes.
No.
I can see you are ready to go now.
Yes. Good. I have been exercising. I can't wait for my bones to be tested now.
Listen, my son. It is not all about physical strength. You need some spiritual powers. We are talking about the forest of Umuchago. All the same. Don't worry. Have it. You can now destroy anybody that comes your way. Anything. Just go with it. Eh?
Thank you very much, Nai.
I hope you still remember our agreement. That when I become the king, you will go ahead to marry the princess. And I will also give you some portions of land. Eh?
I remember. I remember now.
You can go, eh?
I know what you can do. I am behind you. Listen, by the time you come back home with that key, in fact, the entire kingdom will start to experience a drastic change, a developmental leadership in this kingdom.
I am going to mess them up.
I am going there to mess them up.
They have not seen anything.
I know what you can do.
They have not seen anything in this kingdom.
They are novices. They don't know anything. Go on, my son.
When I win and come back.
Yes.
When I win and come back to this kingdom with the key.
You will surely do it. You will come back with the key. That is it. It is established.
The prince of this kingdom.
Yes.
Obviously, the princess will be number one.
Yes.
And you, Boa, you, Nam, you'll be the Igwe. Nam, you will be the Igwe of
I know what you can do.
And Nam,
yes,
will be the norm.
Hey! The sky will be the limit. Hey!
And then I will transform this to
change and the transformation all together. Go on, my son. I am behind you. Hey! Oh, make a name. Wait. It's not yet time. Don't waste the energy. Don't waste the energy.
Father, listen to me. You are not going anywhere. Because that forest and the contest are for people with lesser or no future ambition. Not for my only son. My only son to go in there and endanger his life for something he does not know about.
I love the princess.
Huh?
And this is all I need to do to prove to her that she's mine.
Do you listen to yourself when you speak? Do you listen to yourself at all? What if you go there and something bad happens to you there?
Ask him. No, ask him again.
More than nothing will happen.
Huh?
And we'll be fine. Am I the only young man going for this contest? I don't know other men of my age going for the same contest.
Then let them go there and die, not my son.
No, let all of us go and die. After all, I love the princess and she loves me. This is all I need to do to prove to her that I love her.
Hey!
Is that boy thinking right at all?
No, I should be asking you that.
You should be asking me.
I should be asking you that.
Hey! Hey!
Oh, ma'am.
Hey!
Hey!
Odogu. Atom Carlos.
Young man, what is your problem?
Oh no, my princess. My name is Chede. Your husband in just few weeks.
Are you sure he's not going mad?
I'm sure he's fine, my princess. Chidi, what is the matter with you?
No, there is no problem. There is no matter with me. Don't worry. All I want you to understand, when I go in there and come back with the key, I will become the prince and she will be my wife automatically. Because she is the first property of Ekezie Kingdom that I want to inherit. My princess, you are my inheritance.
Really?
Yes.
Your inheritance. You must be very stupid. And I'm sure you are also a wild dreamer.
Exactly, my princess. I am a wild dreamer. I dream unusual dreams. And it comes to play exactly the way I dreamed it. Don't worry, let me go and come back. You belong.
Do me a favor and get out of my sight this minute. Idiot. Let's go.
Gee, you imagine. Go.
Go. Don't worry, Chika, I'm going. I am going there, certainly. Let me go and come back. Then we will know who is the fool here or the prince of this kingdom. Don't worry, let me go and come back.
You! Get out.
Get out to where? You heard the princess. She wants to soak herself in the water. And she will not do that in the presence of any human. So go away.
Oh dear. She had better start soaking herself now. Because I'm not leaving here until nightfall.
I have always knew that you are so jealous of me. Yes, but you know what? I am not in the mood. You won't push me. Just get out.
Princess, I am here on an errand for my mother. She asked me to receive some gift from the water spirits.
Tell the Ekezie that the princess of Umuechago Kingdom sent you out of the stream.
She will understand. I'll get out. I don't blame you.
No, you don't need to. Get out, good for nothing idiot.
Princess Ndala.
What? Why are you looking at me like that? Drop that thing and get out! You want to see my nakedness? Nonsense.
Hi. Dimma.
Chimduaka, what is it?
Kini, what are you doing?
What does it look like?
Biko, come, let's go home, Biko.
Said?
Let's go now.
Chima, go. I am coming.
Come, let's go.
I said go home!
Duniga manie. Okwa hasina duniga manie. Okwa hasina duniga manie. Okwa hasina duniga manie. Why is anger written all over your face?
Mother, I have just been insulted by the princess. I want powers to attack her. I want to pour my entire wrath on her.
What exactly did she do?
She came to the stream and asked me to leave the stream. That she wants to soak herself in the presence of no human. Even when I told her you sent me.
Remember, she is still the princess of this kingdom. She deserves her privacy.
Princess. Princess. I want to show her whose daughter I am in this kingdom. I am the daughter of Ekezie. I can't let this go.
If I give you the powers that you desire, you will misuse it.
No, mother, I won't. I won't.
Mother, please let me down, please. I want to show you that my powers are not used for necessary things. Great powers require great responsibility. Let this be a warning to you.
Brother, what was that all about?
What?
What were you targeting that you decided to blindfold yourself and throw stones?
Well, nothing. I was just trying to keep fit mentally.
Better be, because I see no reason why my brother will come out in the afternoon, blindfold himself and throw stones. Brother, what were you thinking? What do you expect people to say about you? Eh?
People can say anything they like.
They can even go out there and say that the man is raving mad. I don't care.
I didn't mean it that way. Eh? But you know how our people talk. You know how they behave. Eh? I'm sorry.
All my life, I've tried to make my people talk good about me. Where did they land me? Losing our own parents.
But brother, I'm here for you. I'm here. Eh?
You are my sister.
It's okay. I made something for you. I'm coming. Let me get water.
Okay. One more.
Where is Mama? She went to the farm. Okay.
Brother, I hope you've heard about the contest.
I've heard about it. But I don't want to go.
Why?
Do you want me to go and die? See, these people want people to go into that forest and die. They already know who will win the contest. And I don't want to, Bofie does not want to waste his life unjustly.
No, brother, it's like you didn't even hear the town cry. They say whoever wins that contest will become the next king of Umecha. The person will go ahead to marry the princess. But you don't want to be royalty. I want to be, it's not that you're my elder, but I would have gone for the contest myself.
But you have to go. So how will I win?
But have you forgotten whose son? Have you forgotten whose son you are? Mama said in our mother's lineage, in our maternal lineage, that long time ago, that our great-great-great-grandmother was a serpent who incarnates the earth as a human. That any of our children can turn into a snake and even back to human anytime the person chooses. All the person needs is just one small ritual.
Really?
Well, you don't listen to the day Mama was saying it.
I did not listen attentively that day Mama was saying that, you know.
Oh, and me, I was attentive and I was listening. So, tell me now, which mortal can fight a big snake when they see one? So, all I need to do, I will just run to a maternal home. I will look for a Dachibuzo. I'll call in that woman can do that, something like that. I'll call her, she will come and do the thing for you. Just that ancient ritual and you can.
Wait, so you mean if the ancient ritual is done, you fear will go to that forest and win the contest?
Which mother can fight a snake? But you go and you definitely you will win. There's no how you will not win.
Then I'm already in the forest. But you will go. That is if it is the way you said it.
Let me brother. let me just keep. I will go and bring. Let me.
Chimdioke.
Yes, brother.
How many times have I called you?
3 times.
You are not the one going for this. I'm the one going to fight. Let me be.
But you're my only brother. See, they will either injure you or even kill you. No one will take care of you. Nobody.
See, that's what we are talking about here. Every time you keep on saying, who will take care of you? You are my only brother. And that's been your problem. Am I a baby? Eh? Are you the one going to fight? I am the one going to fight. I am not a baby.
They will kill you. They will kill you. Eh? What will happen to me? If you go, what will happen to me?
Nothing will happen to me. I'd rather die as a brave man in the battlefield.
Eh?
So my people will celebrate me. Than to die as a poor orphan. And nobody will talk of me. If I die, you get married. You know what?
You're not going anywhere. I'll not allow you go. You're not going anywhere. I don't like it.
No.
Just one person, just one
left. Yes. I don't know. How? I don't know.
You shall go and come back. Wicked evil, you will go and conquer and come back. Yes!
My princess, it is late. I think you should go to bed. Let's go in.
I have strong feelings that I will be mourning soon.
No! Don't say that. The gods may just surprise you this time. Adore Mam. Omalicha. Wanyi marama. Ada umuche agujiwe mono. Igurugu wine. The gods have blessed you with so much beauty and strength. I know it's about Ekezie. He will go and come back for you. I know.
Chinka, I know what you're trying to do. You just want to make me happy. Alright, fine. Let's go and sleep.
My princess.
Go inside.
Oh, Malichawa.
Okomelo. Oru no bume. Onya bokana so. Hey. Ogodi mo. Onye ga-abụ eze. Okomelo. Iyoko, ogundimo. Elokata bogi boso, ogundimo. Onye ga-ama kapitobo, ogundimo. Isini bodo butobo, ogundimo. Isini siri keptobo, ogundimo. Iyoko, ogundimo. Iyoko, ogundimo. Isini budi paputobo, ogundimo. Isini buwo keptobo, ogundimo. Iyoko, ogundimo. Iyoko, ogundimo. Isini budi keptobo, ogundimo.
Brother, please don't go. Please, don't leave me here, please.
Chimdi, okay?
Yes.
Chimdi, okay?
Yes, brother.
What will happen
Okorie! Obonye! Guess the one you got here. Where's the one you put that? Madu is the one. Kai get si jobiru. Okorie is here! Okorie is here! Apa hasina duniga maniye?
How is the one? Malaro drum pam. Is the one? No, my father is not well. Hi, that's the one. No, throw my father. Is the one? Sister, I should go. I will go.
Okorie is here.
Yeah. Hey.
Okorie, see ya. Okorie, see ya. Yeah. Okorie, see ya. Okay, yeah. See?
Onye ga-abụ eze, onye ga-alụ adaeze, ọkụ omelu. Iyoko, Ogundimo, Iyoko, Ogundimo, Kelukata Pog, Iboso, Ogundimo, when you got my capital, Ogundimo, isn't it Bodo Tobo, Ogundimo, isn't it City Capital, Ogundimo, Iyoko, Ogundimo, Iyoko, Ogundimo, isn't it Budi Paputobo, Ogundimo, isn't it Buwo Capital, Ogundimo, Iyoko, Ogundimo, Iyoko, Ogundimo, isn't it Budi Putobo, Ogundimo, isn't it Karaka Putobo, Ogundimo, Okorie Jaffa Putobo, Ogundimo, isn't it Karaka Putobo, Ogundimo, Obio Karagi Putobo, Ogundimo, Unconquerant, Ogundimo, Unconquerant, Ogundimo, Unconquerant, Ogundimo.
Jorum, mi Boyana, Joro!
Where's this one? Where is the one? Come. I said, why is this one? You said I should not panic. I'm not sure I should. Am I warrior like me? How can I panic? Panic. I'm just asking after her because I like her.
You like her?
Yes.
The woman is tired. She has gone ahead of us to wait. Let's go.
There's a wife cannot be tired. She's not a spirit. She's not a spirit. And she should be afraid and back out of war. For what? This is why you must be here with us. Everyone, reappear. Everyone, piano, no. Even I rather my father. He happened for. Everyone, come back. You know my father is not well. You just left us like that. Everyone, come back, oh. You just disappeared like that. Why?
Oh. What has he done? What? Gods of our ancestors, guide and protect my love. Guide and protect him and bring it back to me. Else.
Silence!
This is where I will leave you. You will be divided into 3 groups.
Goes there!
This way. Naza. Adoha. Chidi. Ofie. Azuka. Mbe. Join me. Ike. Join them. This is where the battle begins. Remember, only the survivor will be shown the location of the key.
It's why. Change from this group. Change me from this group. Hey, my brother, but me know my father is not well. You put me, look at their faces, and why change him, Dikonu. For put me. Silence!
He said that you are lazy.
Huh?
Yes.
Is that what he said?
He said that you're a coward. Me coward? Me coward?
That's what he told me, yes. Nonsense. I will show you why I'm called Ofia.
Lupunia. Don't worry.
Fact that.
You think because
I draw my father. Chipunia.
Infidels! Do not expect to leave this place alive. Because this war has already been won in the spirit.
Ikem, where are you? Show yourself! Show yourself, Ikem! Show yourself, Ikem! Show yourself!
I'm here. It is the survival of the fittest.
Do your worst!
Can you catch this?
Do your worst!
Where are you? I need the key. Bring the key here. Bring the key.
I will show you today.
I will show you why I am called Ofia. What can you do? You haven't seen anything. What can you do? No, tell me, what can you do?
Onye ga-abụ eze, onye ga-alụ ada eze, ọkụ omelu.
That's it.
did he do it? Mbe of all people! Onye rise nwa! Odimma! Onwe ka ị ga-esi dobe iru! Anyị ekwu arụsị! Eze nwanyị! Ọkwa ha si na-adụni ga-amaniye! Ọkwa ha si na-adụni ga-amaniye! Ọkwa ha si na-adụni ga-amaniye! Eze nwanyị ọkwa ha si na-adụni ga-amaniye! Oh, where?
We cannot deny him his right. He has emerged the winner and the ultimate strongest man in this kingdom of ours. We must crown him.
And what baffles me the most is, how did he get to defeat the rest of the team? Ike, the poisonous Ofi, the magical Naza. Haha.
Even my own son, Chigozie.
Hi!
Eh?
Chidi.
Hi!
Even my own son, Chidi. Eh? Oh, Mbe. Mbe imewa gomo obi. Obere nsi na mebi ike. Hi!
What do you want?
You're asking me,
yes.
Mbe. Mbe the great warrior. You're asking me what I want. Hey! So it has not occurred to you. It has not. You don't know that I'm the only man the people of Umechago will address to as your husband. So you don't know. You don't know.
That will be over my dead body.
Yes.
You hear me? Over my dead body.
You die. Because I must assess that west is mine. Mbe. Whether you like it or not, I must marry you.
So now, you actually think I don't have the mind of my own?
You don't?
I do.
Oh, you do? Yes, I believe. You do indeed. You do. Let me tell you something. I am going to be your mind, your soul, your body, your life and everything. Your husband. Listen. I want you that contest just to have you to myself. Maybe you don't know. Just to have you to myself. That's why I wanted the contest.
Now get out of the palace now.
If you make yourself inaccessible, I swear to the gods, it's obvious you don't even know that the kingdom is in trouble. And the people of Umechago's destiny is in your hands. And also in that you are west.
Get out!
I should get out.
Get out.
I should get out.
Now!
I can only get out just because of one thing. Just my coffee here. My canara drum pam. My father is sick. And then my canara drum pam. But no problem.
I think I saw you, baby. Chama. Chama.
chama lebe. Chama, Anikasali chama. Chama, Anikasali chama. Anikasali chama. Chama, chama lebe. Anikasali chama. Chama, chama lebe. Chama, Anikasali chama. Chama, chama lebe. Anikasali chama. Chama, chama lebe. Chama, anikasali chama. Chama, anikasali chama. Anikasali chama. Chama, chama lego. Anikasali chama. Chama, chama lego. Chama, anikasali chama. Chama, anikasali chama. Anikasali chama. Chama, chama lego. Anikasali chama. Chama, chama lego. Chama, anikasali chama. Chama, anikasali chama. Anikasali chama. Chama, chama lego. Anikasali chama. Chama, chama lego. Chama, anikasali chama. Chama, anikasali chama. Anikasali chama. Chama, chama lego. Anikasali chama. Chama, chama lego. Chama, anikasali chama. Chama, anikasali chama. Anikasali chama. Chama, chama lego. Anikasali chama. Chama, chama lego. Chama, anikasali chama. Hey, chama, chama.
What is it?
Listen to me. You cannot deprive your king the little pleasure he's asking from his queen. My own wife. Cannot do that.
Well, I cannot do it.
Can do it.
Yes, I cannot do it.
You will do it. I will make you do it. I said I will make you do it. I swear to the gods of this land. Else, I'll banish you from this kingdom. People who will banish you, I will remove this crown by fire.
Banish me.
Okay. And I will banish you. I will. I'm actually going to this place.
My love. Is it because I don't want to give you? That's why you want to banish me? Yeah, come.
Very like this.
Your father will be well very soon. Don't hold this side too much.
What is it?
Listen to me. We cannot deprive your king the little pleasures asking from his queen. My own wife cannot do that.
Well, I cannot do it.
Can do it.
Yes, I cannot do it.
You will do it. I will make you do it. I said I will make you do it. I swear to the gods of this land. Else, I'll banish you from this kingdom. I will remove this crown by fire.
Banish me.
And I will banish you. I will. I'm actually going to this place.
My love. Is it because I don't want to give you? That's why you want to banish me? Yeah, come.
Say like this.
Your father will be well very soon. Don't hold this side too much.
Hi. Oh, so this is a dream, eh? Why? Why should I even wake up from this dream? Why did I wake up? Why did I wake up? Hey. My princess, I'm coming for you. My princess, I'm coming for you. Hey! Hey! Ofi! Ofi, please.
Is your word against mine?
Please, Ofi. Ah! Boxing. Oh, Ofi. Come on, I want to my father. You know my father is not well. I want him, Pam. I want him.
Your word against mine.
Get out, pushing me about, chasing me about. You want to kill me? It's a little. I got my father. Never funny. I got him from Jeju. It's a little. I didn't look at Mbe. Agwo na tumbe. Kina chọrọ him to kill me. Ebe ngwa gị na ahụ adịghị m pan that my father is not well. Mbe.
My love.
My princess.
Why did you send the maid back to the palace with a message?
Because I have nothing to do in the palace.
You have a lot to do in the palace, my love. We are getting married soon, and you shall be crowned the king of Umechago Kingdom. You see?
My princess, I don't see that coming.
You have to see it coming. You belong to me, I belong to you. We're getting married, and you shall become the king of Umechago Kingdom. My love, my king. I feel you have another woman that you're in love with. You're no longer in love with me.
How can you say that, my princess?
It's true, Gozi. I feel inside of me that my presence now irritates you.
Oh, my love, you know it's not true. You know I love you and I can never love
You're just trying to flatter me.
In this world. It's just that I'm afraid.
You're afraid of what?
I'm afraid of the future. I'm afraid of the unknown. Something in me tells me that we can make it together.
You will make it.
No.
Love conquers everything. I am in love with you. You are in love with me. We are getting married, and you shall be crowned the king of Umechago Kingdom, and I shall become your queen.
It's time for this.
No, you're not bringing me
Oh. Okay. I can do this for my love.
Oh, it's so good.
Where we go?
This is like Ekezie.
My queen.
My love.
Is it this thing?
Take it easy, my princess. I will not take it. I will go and save him! What do you mean you are going to save him? May I remind you that I am the only princess of Umechago Kingdom, and I have to go and save my late father's throne. Now! I hope this decision is not because of you.
My princess. What? Please stay back. Ekezie will be back. Please.
If you miss me, just tell me. I can understand.
Of course I will miss you. But I want you to stay alive and without injuries. Those fowls in that forest, they will devour your flesh. And your beauty will diminish.
What is beauty without comfort? What is beauty without a man to complement it? What is beauty when people look at it and don't honor you? I will go and come back. But if I die happy. Because I am going there to take what rightfully belongs to me. Because maintaining my father's name, Igwe Obilos II, is not a bad idea. Don't you think so? Stay up.
Okomelo! Oru ono bume! Onye abaka na so! Hey! Ọkọ dị mmụọ, onye ga-abụ eze, onye ga-abụ adaeze, ọkọ melu, ọkọ melu.
Owe! Ọkọ ha sị na gị ga-amanye. Alikiri bakara. Ọkọ akpọkọ eze nwanyị ọza. Zerem! Onye? Okerie!
Kingdom. Who are you? Show yourself! I see you are deaf and dumb. You can't talk. Show your face. Show your face. Take it away.
My princess.
Yes.
Chika sent me to you. She said this will calm your nerves.
Tell her I am not thirsty.
Oh, my princess. You need...
I said! Tell her!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my princess.
How dare you?
My princess, please forgive me. It wasn't intentional.
How dare you? May the gods of our land strike you dead! How dare you? How dare you?
I'm sorry.
Get out of my sight.
What's the case of me? Eh? You don't want to kill yourself. Stop. So what do you want? I know you are home.
Come back here. Let her go. Let her go. Listen, my father bought her with lots of cowries. She remains my maid. But as far as I'm concerned, she doesn't have any family to go to.
My princess, the royal key that was hung in the king's chamber is no longer there. I think she has it.
Wait a minute. But I saw that key a moment ago.
I am suspecting she has it.
What? Gods! Fools! Get her! Now! Get her out! And if you don't get her, don't come back to the palace.
Why? Let's go and get her now.
This is the entrance to Umechago Forest. Believe me, you don't want to go in there. People hardly come out alive. Let's go back. The ghost will take care of her if they wait. Let's go.
Okay. As for me, we'll go in there today.
You can go. As for me, I'm going back. You can.
Yes!
Where is she?
I'm sorry, my princess. We lost her. We were about to grab her when she ran into the evil forest of Umechago.
And the key?
My princess, she swallowed it. She swallowed the keys.
What?
Yes, it is me. You wicked daughter of a kind father. The death that swept your father should have taken you instead.
I will not have you insult the princess of Umechago Kingdom.
Shut up! In this forest, there's no princess. If there should be any, then I am the one.
I see you envy my position as a princess. You are a slave, my late father's slave, my own slave. I will remain your princess and you should remain my slave forever.
I am not your slave, you wicked soul.
Where is the key?
The keys. Come and have it.
Listen, woman. You worry too much. Nothing has happened to our son yet.
Nine. I know what I saw in my dream. I know what I saw, Nine.
Don't worry. Nothing is going to happen to our son. Please come and give me food. I am very hungry. Give me food.
I know what I saw.
And you know my dreams always come true.
You know it's in Nine.
Eh?
What happened to you? What happened to you?
Princess, I'm sorry. I failed you.
No, you did not fail me. You will still make it. Let's go. I thank the gods I found you.
I'm sorry. I failed you.
No. You did not fail me. You are still strong. And you will still make it.
I can't make it anymore. I can't. I'm sorry. No, you make it. I disappointed you. Baby, don't do this. Don't do this. Don't worry. I will take you home. Remember you said you were going to get married to me. I'm so glad. Yes. I don't have spiritual power. I don't. Cause you get that. Cause you get that. You said we need to get married to me. Where is our future? Where is all those ways that you made to me? God!
Is this a dream or what? Could it be real? But no, no way. I think the best thing I do now is to go and see someone. I should do it immediately, but today is the chance.
And where are you going? Anna, I need to see Ezewan.
Ezewan, is there a problem?
I don't like the way I feel about my son. She has to explain some things to me so that I understand. It's a job like this.
Good old my brother. You are not the only one in confusion here.
Eh?
The whole kingdom is confused. They are agitated and in grave tension. That is why Ono summoned all the elders to the palace.
Eh? Has it come to that? Olugo Ketwa.
That's what I'm telling you.
What are we doing now? Let us go.
Let's go. You will hear talking.
Hey! So this kind of thing can be happening and I cannot hear with my own ears.
My fellow elders of Umechago, I greet you all. In fact, I am not happy. Our princess has long been gone, and yet nothing has been heard about their condition. All our women do is dream about their sons dead. Please, my elders, what are we going to do?
Well, I was on my way to Ezewan before I met Ichie, who now informed me of this meeting. I think it's about time Ezewan speaks. Yes! It's about time she speaks. She'll be so silent.
You see, my problem with Ezewan is she might be biased. Huh? Because her own daughter is involved. She might decide to deceive us.
No.
Eh?
Obiageli is not like that. I think we should consult her to know the whereabouts of her, especially the princess.
Oh, yes.
It's all right. It's all right.
Mbe, what's for it? I'll kill you. Boya. I'll kill you. No! Ada can't kill you. Ada! Don't kill me.
What are you doing here?
That's what I'm thinking. Mom, I don't even know what I'm doing. But I don't want to kill you, Ada. And don't kill me. Ada, if you kill me, no, you cannot kill me. You're a woman. You cannot marry the princess. I will marry the princess. Now, Ada, allow me to kill you, Chekambogi. Just relax, yeah. Chekambogi. I don't know.
Listen, why? When shall all this drama come to an end?
Soonest.
How soon is the wine? At least you should be able to see who takes over the leadership of Ekezie at the end of the day.
Elders of Ekezie. I can't hear anything. Not even the faith of my only child. The gods have refused to speak.
Obodu meche agụ anyị ga-eche ọgụ n'ala mmụọ anyị ga-eche ọgụ n'ala m
Don't tell me you've been crying. If my brother finally dies, I will survive it. I can't be alone. I can't sleep all alone here. I'm beginning to lose hope myself and the princess. What if she's dead? The princess is royalty. She's not a nobody like my brother. If anything happens to her, I'm sure Ezewan will alert the whole village. Maybe we should go and confront the Ezewan. Yes, you're right. Let's go.
Now my candidate is gone, and nothing was said about Ike. Who knows if he has run away from the forest? I just don't trust him. I need to re-strategize. Yes, I need to re-strategize.
Greetings, alone. You sent for me, right?
Yes, I did. Grab a seat over there.
No, thank you. I think I'm fine here.
Okay. There is something I want us to discuss.
What is it, please? I'm listening.
Chika, you see, everything is going upside down in this kingdom. Now it's all about the survival of the fittest, and also the survival of the smartest. Chika, how smart are you? Or how smart can you be? Think.
Think about what, or no?
Okay, see. The princess has gone to the forest. Obviously, she's going to die. No charm of hers will make her to beat all the men and come back with the royal king. She must definitely die. The ultimate winner will be my person under my control.
Okay. What exactly are you saying?
What I'm saying is that I am going to be the next king of this kingdom. People like you can walk away from this kingdom with nothing. But you have served the royal household diligently. And that is why I have come for us to form a team. A formidable force that can withstand any evil that will come from any part of this kingdom.
Oh no, please go straight to the point.
I want you to be my mistress now and my wife in few weeks.
Please, can I think about this?
Tomorrow by sunrise, I need an answer. I don't have time. Please.
I shall leave now.
Looking for me? Oh, you! Yes, me. You want to join me?
No, I'm not an animal like you.
An animal, you say? Yet you're here looking for me.
Listen, I don't have time to waste. I came here for the key. I'm going to have it now. Let me have it.
The key, you say? Why not? I like you, so you can have it. Over there! Where are you? Where are you, Wendy? I thought you were strong! Come and fight me! Fight me, woman to woman! Adora! Show yourself! Adora, where are you? Show yourself! Show yourself, Adora! Show yourself! You came? What makes you think you can fight the fight of dragons, you arrogant infidel?
Well, you can call me anything you like. Well, I am still your princess, the princess of Umechago Kingdom, and I am ready to fight you, woman to woman.
That's why. No!
Why do you have to soil your beauty with tears?
It's okay,
it's alright. It's alright.
But I want you. I want you not to allow him go. Naive boy, you didn't stop it.
He was determined to go there like every other young man in this community. Besides, we are not the only bereaved family in Umwechago. Others will still die. Eh? It's alright. It's alright.
Where's my brother? The gods of my ancestors. What kind of dream is this? I hope Ogadima is alright. Dima.
How are you?
Welcome, Nai. Please sit down.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Chidioke, I came to see you since I know that we are passing through the same pain.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
But Nai, please, you can go and come back later.
Eh?
I'm not in the mood to see or talk to anybody.
Hey, Chidioke. Chidioke, I was in the same mood, just as you are now. Before I said to myself, why am I punishing myself? Why am I suffering myself unnecessarily? When I know I should go back and pick my life from wherever it is and move on. Eh? Immediately there, I thought about you. Eh? I thought about you. Then I said I should come because I know we are in the same situation.
Situation? What situation are you talking about tonight?
Oh, Chidioke. Iya banaka. Ejenye nene. Eh? What is happening in this community, everybody knows it. My son left this kingdom to the evil forest. Until now, nobody knows whether he's alive or dead. And the same thing with your own brother, Demma. We are supposed to come closer to each other to console ourselves as much as we can. You understand?
Naya, what are you feeling for? I don't understand.
Hey! Please. I will take good care of you. I'm telling you. So actually, psycho, be my mistress. Please.
Really?
You know what I can do now?
I don't do now.
Eh?
Yeah, you're welcome.
Oh, nobody's like you. I said it.
Yeah, I'm coming.
It's okay.
Make yourself comfortable.
It's okay. It's okay. Madam. Hi, Asamwa. Eh?
Hey! Hey! You should be ashamed of yourself!
Okorie, why are you so wet? Or were you almost drowned in the river?
It's a long story.
It's a long story. Well, listen to me, my brother. Don't kill yourself because your only son died. I lost my son too. So also some other family members in this community. The rain did not fall on one roof alone. Please take it easy. You know? Take it easy.
Okay, Chike. Thank you. Thank you. I have heard what you said. If I don't listen to you, who will I listen to? You're the only one that has made up your mind to console me. I have to listen to you. Thank you. I will try and do as you said.
No. Let me go, eh?
Thank you.
Okorie, take it easy, eh?
Alright.
Hey.
Chika, why are you behaving like this? I thought our meeting was for us to consummate as man and woman.
On the contrary, no.
What do you mean?
Listen, I have thought about everything, and I have come to the conclusion that this is not what I want.
I don't want you to regret on that day when I'll be crowned the king. My decisions might not be favorable to your kind. Believe me.
I am sorry. I can't.
What is all this? Okorie be Vendia. Everyone seems to be wise around here, except me. I think it's time I got wiser. Yes, I want to be the wisest, and I know exactly what to do, since Ekezie doesn't want to comply.
Go no further! Oh no.
Why go no further? Do you know where I'm going?
What you seek is evil. It will swallow you.
Then get ready to comply with me.
No way! What if you insist? You will go, but never return. The person you seek to see is my servant. He is under my spiritual control. Be warned! Oh no! Elders of Ekezie, only the gods know why we lost our children who went into the forest in search of the royal king. Even the princess. We cannot remain like this. We need somebody who has been close to the royal family to carry us along. A day after tomorrow, I, Ekezie, will crown Onowu, the king of Ekezie kingdom. Okwahasina aduniga amaniye. Okwahasina aduniga amaniye.
Elders,
Listen. We know who has tested royalty already. Eh? Let's know how we can go ahead and crown him the king of this kingdom.
If truly Igbo died, like Ezewan said, we cannot remain in this kingdom without a king who will make decisions for us. We need a king. It is about decisions. We can do that ourselves.
Yes.
The problem is Ono becoming the king. To me, does not sound too good.
Yes.
Good. He's not a nice man in the first place. As I don't know, how much more the king? Now, we are in serious problem. We are in trouble.
Good. Something tells me that we are in danger. Even as a kingdom, we need to be very careful. Think about what I'm telling you. Think about it. Let's leave.
You! Again?
Yes, me again.
What do you want from me? And where is the key?
Today, your end has come.
Your end has come too! Where is the key?
She asked for the key. Today, you have met your
Let's go.
What? The key? Where's the key? Huh? It's your point. Where are you? Where is the key?
Where do you think you are going, you woman of little faith?
I believe in what makes me a woman. An African woman. One that cannot be bought over by material things. A strong woman that cannot sell her dignity for anything. Not even for royalty.
You have failed to believe in my future. I can tell the gods to strike you dead.
Go ahead! Tell the gods to strike me dead. I will rather die than stay alive and answer to you as my king. You are not worthy of the position bestowed on you by Ekezie, because it is obviously not from the gods.
Get out this minute. I said get out.
I'm on my
get
way.
Out.
Wait.
Okorie sia. Akwa hasina duniga maniye. Akwa hasina duniga maniye. Sina duniga maniye. Owe
Hold your peace. Great people of Umwechago, I have made it. I have gone to the battleground and brought deliverance to this kingdom. Here is the key. This is the key to the royal city. And here is the princess. Safe.
Truly, the gods are wise. Man proposes, but the gods here comes the true king of Umwechago kingdom. I crown you the king of Umwechago kingdom.
Obodo Umwechago. Obodo
Rise up, my friend.
I need to talk to Nalam. Opuludo Nanga. Agamejo Yakobu.
Okomelu. Oro no mume. Onya boka na so. Hey. Ogodi mo. Onye ga-abụ eze. Onye ga-alụ ada eze. Okomelu. Iyoko, Ogundimo. Iyoko, Ogundimo. Elukata kwog igbo ọsọ. Ogundimo. Onye ga-ama kapta ọgbọ. Ogundimo. Isi na igbo odogwu pụta ọgbọ. Ogundimo. Isi na isi ike pụta ọgbọ. Ogundimo. Iyoko, Ogundimo. Iyoko.